Some ghosts don't haunt houses, they haunt the tracks. Forgotten in a forgotten valley, this steam-era passenger carriage hasn't moved in over 60 years. Nature has been reclaiming this steel giant, turning its once proud frame into a skeleton of rust and decay. But today, the silence ends. The first step of resurrection is always the hardest, reclaiming the foundation. Decades of overgrowth must be stripped away to reveal what time almost erased. Beneath the layers of neglect, the iron remains. The sparks aren't just friction. They are the sound of the metal waking up after a long, dark slumber. To build something new, we have to look at what was left behind. Rotted wood and shattered glass. The evidence of a carriage that was once the height of luxury. Decades of dust and grime turn to liquid history. Every blast of water peels back a layer of the past, preparing the frame for its second life. Some parts of the past are too damaged to save. To ensure a future, we must let go of the decay, making room for the structural rebirth. Precision is key. We aren't just cleaning, we are surgeons. Every inch of steel frame must be meticulously prepped before the transformation can begin. Hard labor and heavy machinery. The rhythm of the work is the heartbeat of this project. We're stripping it down to the bare industrial bones. The surface is raw and scarred, but finally, clean. This is the stage before the transformation. No luxury yet, just the quiet determination of a team working against